How many years does it take to prepare for a ministry calling? In the past, ministry students spent at least 7 years completing a bachelor's degree and a Master's of Divinity or MDiv. 7 years sounds like a lot of time in school, especially if you're like most of our students and want to start serving God's people now. So how can you prepare for a lifetime of ministry without spending extra years or money earning your degrees? Cedarville University's combined BA plus MDiv program will help you graduate ministry ready in just 5 years. Many MDiv programs repeat content that is part of a bachelor's degree in Bible, since they can't assume every new student will bring that knowledge from their undergraduate program. Instead, at Cedarville, your BA in Biblical Studies and MDiv were intentionally built as one seamless pathway. By removing duplicate content, Cedarville's accelerated BA plus MDiv will give you the same deep biblical, theological, and ministry training you need in just 5 years, so you can start your ministry sooner. The costs of a traditional 7-year program add up, but in our accelerated program, the first 3 years cost the same as our normal undergraduate rate with generous scholarships available. When a student transitions to Cedarville Theological Seminary to complete their MDiv in years 4 and 5, the tuition rate is more than cut in half, and scholarships provided by donors may be available to reduce the cost even further. The best part? In years 6 and 7, you won't be doing coursework. You'll be in ministry, replacing tuition costs with a paycheck and beginning to fulfill the call God has for your life. But this program is about much more than efficiency. It's about formation. You'll study under faculty with years of ministry experience who love God's Word and will invest personally in you. You'll get involved in local churches and ministries to prepare you for the realities of vocational ministry. Whatever ministry the Lord has called you to, the BA plus MDiv program will prepare you to faithfully share God's Word and to serve His people for decades to come.